Sibelius versus Guitar Pro. Which music software is better? Choosing the right music software can completely change how you compose and learn music without frustration. Both Sibelius and Guitar Pro offer unique tools for musicians and composers. Sibelius and Guitar Pro are two leading music software options, but they serve different purposes. Sibelius focuses on professional music notation and scoring, while Guitar Pro specializes in guitar tablature and multi-instrument composition. The core difference lies in notation, precision versus guitar-centric features. Sibelius is a professional music notation software designed for composers, arrangers, and publishers. It allows users to create detailed sheet music with precise notation, dynamics, and articulations. The software works by providing an intuitive interface where you input notes via mouse, keyboard, or MIDI devices. Its strength lies in its powerful engraving capabilities and industry-standard output quality, making it ideal for classical scores, film music, and large ensembles. Sibelius also supports cloud sharing and collaboration, streamlining workflows for professionals. However, it has a steeper learning curve and is less focused on guitar-specific features like tablature and chord diagrams. Sibelius is best suited for users who need advanced notation tools and high-quality print scores, such as composers and arrangers working in professional settings. Guitar Pro is a versatile music software tailored primarily to guitarists and multi-instrumentalists. It excels in creating, editing, and playing guitar tablatures, alongside standard notation. Users can input notes through an easy-to-use interface or import MIDI files. Guitar Pro features realistic sound engines and playback options, allowing musicians to hear their compositions with guitar, bass, drums, and other instruments. Its strengths include comprehensive tablature support, chord libraries, scale tools, and practice features like speed trainers and looping. Limitations include less sophisticated notation compared to Sibelius and fewer advanced engraving options. Guitar Pro is ideal for guitar players, bands, and educators seeking a practical tool for writing, learning, and sharing guitar-based music. It's especially useful for those focused on popular music genres and guitar technique development. Sibelius and Guitar Pro cater to different music creation needs. Sibelius shines in professional notation, ideal for complex scores, orchestras, and publishers requiring precise sheet music. Guitar Pro, on the other hand, is built around guitarists and band members needing intuitive tablature and playback features. If you are composing classical or film music, Sibelius offers superior engraving and dynamic control. For guitarists learning songs, writing riffs, or practicing, Guitar Pro's tablature and practice tools provide unmatched convenience. The trade-off is between Sibelius's advanced notation quality and Guitar Pro's guitar-focused usability. While Sibelius demands more time to master, it produces publication-ready scores. Guitar Pro is more accessible and suited for everyday guitarists and educators, but lacks high-end notation detail. Your choice depends on whether your priority is professional scoring or guitar-centric composition and practice. Choose Sibelius if you require professional-level music notation with precise engraving and advanced scoring capabilities for complex compositions and formal publishing. Opt for Guitar Pro if you are a guitarist or band member focused on creating and learning guitar tablature with practical playback and practice tools. Both software excel in their fields, so select based on your musical goals and